2018 started off just like some of the other years. We had a lot of plans, so many adventures, and then everything changed. We took off on our first trip. We headed out to Europe to do this 3-week trip. Started off in London, and then we went to Stonehenge. We headed over to Paris. We saw the Eiffel Tower, we saw the catacombs, we saw the Louvre. Then we headed to Italy, where we went to Milan for the first time, got to see the oldest mall ever built. From there we headed over to Venice, and as soon as we got there, everything was flooded. Then we headed off to Munich, Germany, which was also our first time there. One of the most amazing places I think we've ever been. We ended up in Prague after that. We were looking forward to it, but when we got there, it was so snowy and freezing cold, we weren't able to do anything. Then it was back to Germany, where we went to Berlin, saw the Berlin Wall. The last place we went was Amsterdam, and we had a blast. But nothing could have prepared us for our next adventure. So we got back home, and within a few weeks, we found out we were expecting a little one. This was something that we had hoped for years. So many emotions hit us all of a sudden, and we decided to make some big changes. I ended up taking a job in Florida. Florida had been something we talked about and always wanted to live by the ocean, so we packed up everything we owned and headed out. We had months of fun on the beach, playing in the ocean, going kayaking. Our baby wasn't due until December 6th, but I guess like her parents, she didn't have any patience and decided to come on November 27th. This is Adaria Jade, and we're so proud to be her parents. And so excited for you all to be able to get to know her. And we can't wait to show her this whole world.